My favorite fast food chain. BHC is undoubtedly my favorite fast food chain. It has always held a special place in my heart. What I appreciate about BHC is the variety it offers. In addition to their half chicken, they provide sides like radish and more. Their signature wrinkles stands out as a favorite for its mouth-watering taste and hearty portion. Alongside chicken, BHC offers a range of options, including Pringles and Pringles hot dog. In summary, BHC remains my favorite fast food chain. Thank you for listening.